The boosted board is here. Here it is waiting for me to unpack it, and that's what I'm about to do. I've seen this board on the internet many times. I've seen Casey Neistat ride it, many other YouTubers ride it. But let me tell you, it's so much more beautiful in person. Ooh, it's not that heavy. A lot of people say it's heavy. I don't think it's that heavy. I guess cause I'm so muscular. Wow. The wheels are huge. Check this out. Wow. I'm assuming the remote's in here. Let's see. The remote. The boosted board remote. So smooth. I'm so excited just to ride this. Also, you could probably see that the quality of the camera and the images have gotten better. I'm sorry that my other video took forever to post online. That was only because I had terrible luck on transferring the files. But I did it. I did it. Quick starter's guide. Boosted board stickers. Some wires, chargers. And that is about it. Might be time to ride this boosted board. Oh, it just started. It just started. Hello? Oh, I'm just making a video about my new skateboard, electric skateboard. 22 miles per hour. Alright, so I connected it. Do you hear that? Now it's time to take it outside. Wow, that's incredible. Man, this skateboard is really fun. I recommend it, but it is dangerous. It took me 5 minutes to get used to it, and I'm already going on expert mode. Pro mode. Incredible. Definitely really good. I love it. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Just be careful because it's very dangerous. Soon I'll do a review of the boosted board when I get the hang of it completely, when I start riding it and get more experience. Expect a very good review soon by me.